Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to do a factory reset on THERMOMIX TM6. In order to perform a factory reset, you'll need to click on this button in the top left corner, then go to the settings. Now it is going to show you the factory reset option, but first you need to unbind your device from the Kukito account. Otherwise, if later you want to bind your device with a different Kukito account, or you want to sell it and someone else will want to bind it, they won't be able until you unbind it manually from either on the device or from the website. I'll show you both ways. So if I go to Kukito account, I should be able to log out, and then I should be able to click on log out. But the other method is resetting it first, then removing it from the website. So let's reset. Click on reset. Click on reset. Now it asks you whether you want to unlink your ThermoMix from your Kukito account, and you need to unlink. Later on you can do it from the website if you select no. So I'll select no. I believe you can do it from the website, but I'm not sure, so we'll verify that, and if not, then we'll need to do it on the device directly. So you can see it is currently resetting. Okay, I'm sorry, I made a mistake. Actually, I haven't registered the device on the website. If I had registered it on the website, then I would need to remove it from the website, which I will show you in a moment. But this time, since I selected I don't want to log out, now I can just select the language, and well, going through the steps will be pretty easy, because there won't be the sign-in step because I'm still signed in. I believe we'll see that since I haven't removed the network, sorry, the account. I'm not sure I entered it correct. It's great. It's connecting to the network, but let's see how it goes without the account signed out. Okay, no, it still says that. Okay, so I can just sign in. Okay, I just signed in to my account. Now it tells me a few steps. I've read it already, but you should read it if you haven't. Now I'll show you what it means, like if it shows you that you should unbind it from the website. So in case for some reason it shows you on your device that you need to unbind it from the website, you should do it. You should just go to the website, go to profile and go to account, then go to my devices and find your device, then click on remove right here. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.